My oysters are all done and they're looking beautiful, and I'm sure they're delicious as well. It's Friday today, and on Fridays, we usually have seafood. So tonight, we are going to be making fried oysters. So let's get started. I went to four different grocery stores and nobody had fresh oysters. And so we were driving around, and I said to my husband, "Oh, let's go check out Walmart to see if they have it." And so we went in, and lo and behold, they happened to have uh, three containers, or in this case, 12 ounces total. They happen to have the fresh oysters, and I thought, wow, of all places, Walmart has it. So there are about 15 oysters total in here. I have some buttermilk. I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, actually black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Ooh, actually, I'm putting a lot of it, which is okay. All right, so kind of mix that, and then we are going to pour it in the oyster. Make sure that the oysters get all the buttermilk in it, and do not crush the oysters. Okay, so we'll let it sit for a few minutes. I have cornmeal, and I'm going to add all-purpose flour. This is probably maybe half a cup, and then add pepper to it, salt, again cayenne pepper to give it a taste. Mix well. It's nice color to it. Okay, I think our oysters are ready to be cooked. I'm making the tartar sauce to go with our fried oysters. I'm not going to measure it, basically just eyeball everything. I'm going to make just a little bit of it. So, shallots. Oh, this is mayonnaise. Okay, and shallots, cornichon, and a little bit of chilies, not much, salt, pepper. Last but not least, lemon. It smells good already. So you just mix it together. Mix well. Mm. Let's taste it. It's perfect. Mm, it's tangy. This is from the lemon. Okay, so let's let this sit for a little bit. Now we are going to be cooking the oysters. I just tested the oil and it wasn't hot enough. So while I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm braiding the oysters. Okay, the oil is hot enough. So we are frying our first batch. Okay, jumping oysters. Okay, I think our first batch of oysters are ready. They look delicious. They look crispy. Let's finish up the rest. Ready to make our sandwiches. Ugh, tough bread. We just got this from a grocery store and it was freshly baked, but apparently it's not. It's kind of turning chewy now. Uh, Sorry, this is how I like to eat my bread. Okay, so we are going to put oysters in here in the bread, and it looks quite delicious. Time to make our sandwiches. Putting oysters in the bread, in the baguette, load it up, and then add some tartar sauce to it. Looks delicious. The oysters smell delicious. Okay, here you are. Oyster sandwiches. Let's take a bite. I can taste the crunchiness in the oyster. The cornmeal really makes the breading crunchy and refreshing in this case. It is amazingly good. So I'm happy that I made it for dinner tonight. So one thing left to do. Cheers. Mwah. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment, or like. Thank you for watching. Yummy.